Hello students, welcome to your class. This is your moral science class. Today we will do few more question answers from the hare and the tortoise. Okay, today we will do few more question answers from there. In our previous video, we already did all the question answers in our moral science copy, right? I told all the answers. Here we will do few more question answers from that chapter. Now, in your book, page number 13, moral science book, page number 13, you can see here the picture of a tortoise, right? The picture of tortoise is given. What you have to do, you have to color the tortoise very neatly and very carefully. Okay, you will do that. So first you will color the tortoise very neatly. Use green and sea green color to color the tortoise, because tortoise are mostly green and sea green color, right? Their cell you can color some brown, you can use some brown color by your own. I have no idea, that much idea of coloring. So you will color this one, the tortoise. And after that, 3 questions are given. What lesson do you learn from the story? From this story, what lesson you learn? See, these 3 questions you have to write by your own. This is your point of view for this story. These 3 questions is your point of view, not my point of view. It is your point of view. How you feel about the story, what you feel about the story. What are the things you learn from this story? I learned so many things. If I say the answer, then what's the big deal, right? So, if I say all the answers, then there is no fun. You have to write your own answer, what you feel from this story, what you learned from this story, what lesson you got. For me, what lesson do I learn from this story is, we should not be proud of ourselves. What I learned, I am saying my point of view, my perspective, I am saying from my point of view. I learned that we should not be proud for our capabilities. We should not feel proud. We should not feel like we know everything, like that. We should not pose that type of feelings. Okay, that means we should not feel proud for anything. Proud of anything. We should not feel proud of anything, right? And we should behave politely with everyone. We should not mock anyone, or we should not laugh at anyone. These things I learned. What you learned, you will write that. What do you think the tortoise, why do you think the tortoise win? This is, of course, your point of view. Why do you think tortoise win? For me, it's like tortoise won the race because he didn't give up. First of all, he knew that he can't win if he race with the Henry Hare, because Hare was very fast. Still, he didn't give up and he agreed to the race. So, one best quality of the tortoise was, he was very strong-minded and he didn't give up. He was always ready to face the problem. Right? So, that's why he won the race. Why do you think the tortoise failed? What do you think? The tortoise failed on his win. So, it's also your point of view. So, after winning the race, how should the tortoise feel? It is also your point of view. He was very happy, or he was very proud, or how he was. It will you write, okay? What do you think how Henry Hare felt when he saw the tortoise win? This is also your point of view. How Henry felt when he lose the race, when he lost the race, when he was unable to own the race with tortoise, how he should feel, and how you think how he should feel. You will write your point of view freely. Whatever comes in your mind, you will write that. Now, why we are doing this? We are doing this because of this page number 14. Page number 14, the question is given, which action is courageous and which is foolish? You have to write C for courageous and you have to write F for foolish. Courage. So what is courageous? Courageous when you are not afraid of anything, right? When you go first for everything. That is courageous. You should be courageous, not you should act foolish. Right? So you will write C for courageous act and you will write F for foolish act. Now first one is given, fighting or walking away from fight. See, it can be two types of answers. See, fighting is not a good thing. So it is a foolish act. You can say that fighting is foolish act. But when it is, you have to choose between courageous and foolish, fighting is of course a courageous work also. Fighting is not a good act. We should not fight. But fighting is a courageous work, right? So, for fighting you will write C in the circle. Here, circles are given. You can see here, circles are given. So, for fighting you will write C. And walking away from fight, it's a good thing. Though it's a good thing, you should avoid the fight. But here, when you have to compare courageous work and foolish work, walking away from a fight is a foolish work. Okay. So, when you have to compare courageous and foolish act, that time fighting is courageous and walking away from fight is foolish act. But in reality, we should not fight with anyone. That is a very bad act. So we should avoid fighting. But here you will write fighting is courageous act and walking away from fight is foolish act. Now, ignoring a new student or making friendship with a new student. Now you say, what is courageous and what is foolish? Ignoring someone is courageous or making friends with new one is courageous? Of course, making friendship with a new student is very courageous work to do, courageous action to do. So you will write making friendship with a new student, that you will write C, and ignoring a new student, that is a very foolish act. So you will write there F. Now, following the crowd or doing what is right. When something is wrong but everyone is going in a line for the wrong thing, that is a foolish work to do, right? That is a foolish work to do. What is right, you should stand by that only. If there is no one beside you, that doesn't matter. You should stand on the truth. You should stand beside truth all the time. So, doing what is right is courageous, but following the crowd is a foolish act. So, you will write following the crowd is foolish act and doing what is right is a courageous work. Now, after that, only looking out for yourself or helping others. Tell me, only looking out for yourself is a courageous work act or helping others is a courageous act? Only looking out for yourself is a selfish act, not courageous act. It is a selfish act. So, only looking out for yourself is a foolish act. You will write foolish act, F. And helping others is a courageous act. So, you will write C. Blaming others for your mistake or accepting responsibility. Now, blaming others for your mistake, something you did the wrong thing. Suppose you did the wrong thing and you are blaming for someone else for that wrong thing. So, it's a courageous thing or foolish thing? Foolish thing, right? Foolish action to do. So, blaming others for your mistake is a foolish thing to do, foolish action. So, you will write F. Accepting responsibilities, that means you should accept your responsibility. If you did something wrong, you should accept that, yes, it is my mistake, I am sorry. You should say, I am sorry, it is my mistake. That is responsibility, taking responsibility, doing your own work. So, that is a courageous act to do. So, you will write C. Here, make as many words as you can from the word courage. So, I am showing you how you will do that. Here, C. C-O-U-R-A-G-E. Courage, right? C-O-U-R-A-G-E. Courage. This is the word. From here, you can take the word and then you can make another new word. Right here, I can write from these three letters. If I take, then I can write hour. Right? I can write hour. Now, I can write raise. R-A-G-E. If I take this one, I can write raise. right? And if I take from here, I can write age. Right? This way you can write your own word. You can take the letters and make a new word. That also you can do. I can take the C, I can take the A, and I can take the R. So CR, car is also there, right? So this way also you can do. You can take the letters and then you can make the word. You can take from here also, like raise, hour, age. This way also you can make. So as many words as you can, you will write those words in your moral science copy, right? Hope you have understand how you have to do that. Thank you for watching.